see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Yan na yung cotton.
Tulad na ayan na.
Oh, God.
See you next year. Load sa trailer, Baba. Ayun na kami, guys. And inalis ko na yung denim kong jacket.
The red bin stinks.
The bean is stink?
Yeah, the red bin.
Okay, ayan. Kumain. Kumuha na siya ng, naubos niya na yung
Oh no!
yogurt niya. Akin na. It's finished? Akin na. Ayaw niya ilagay dun sa red bean. Okay.
No, wait. It has.
Ay, nako. Mommy's gonna cook, Baba. Oh, see? Look. Get a tissue. You spill it. Ito pala yung hotdog. Linabas ko na sa freezer. Ito yung Big Bites. Juicy, cheesy dog. Mayroon lang siyang isa yung regular na hotdog. So, ito may cheese. 5 ang kinuha ko. Pero, iniwan ko sa kanya yung 3. Kasi, 2. Basta, tigli-5 chorizo. May chorizo rin akong 5 ganito. Tapos, 2 lang yung dinala ko or 3. Kasi, iniwan ko muna sa kanya. Kasi, yung freezer namin puno ng bait ni Jan. So, sabi kunin ko na lang next. Pero, bayad ng mga yun. Yes, baby.
I got to do some cake.
What?
I got to do some purple cake.
Purple cake? You're gonna bake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mix it.
Alright. Wala, nandito na yung mga boys. Hoy, I thought...
I had one, but I still want some.
Oh, kumuha sila sa, what's that sa? Moki dog?
He already finished? Already.
Oh, okay. Hindi ko pa naman naluto yung hotdog. Okay. Okay.
You're close.
Ba't mo linagay mo kay Teddy? Kanina, di ba dapat magluluto na ako ng hotdog? Hindi na natuloy kasi nga may mga dalang pagkain yung mga bata. Bumili si Jan ng lunch nila sa shop. And si Kuya, sabi niya sa akin, okay lang, magpapaluto siya ng isa. Nung naubos niya yung kinain niya, sabi niya, mamaya na lang. So, hindi na natuloy yung lunch nilang hotdog. So, dinner na lang yun. And si Jan, ang kakainin niya mamaya is mayroon kaming leftover kahapon na giniling. Magto-toast na lang ako ng bread. Tapos, yeah, yun ang aking ilalagay sa top ng bread niya. And, bukas, aalis kami, kaya hindi na ako magluluto. Pero, kumuha ko ng isang crayfish. So, yun ang kakainin ko ngayon. Magla-lobster ako. Tapos, meron pa akong tirang black pepper sauce. So, yun yung isusauce ko dun sa lobster. And, nagpe-prepare na ako. Hinahanda ko na yung mga dadalhin namin na gamit. Kasi bukas, punta kami ng Adelaide kasi may golf lesson yung mga bata. So, yung nakuha ko palang is kay Holly. Ito yung damit ni Holly. So, hindi namin alam kung malamig. Hindi ko pa natanong si Jam. Pero, ayan, meron akong panlamig. And, meron siya ditong ito, yung dress na naplansya na to. Tapos, kung malamig man, mayroon akong leggings. Tapos, etong cardigans niya. So, just in case. Tapos, kung mainit, di alisin lang yan. Okay na siya. So, ito yung pambiyahe niya bukas. Tingnan nyo siya. Hoy, ginugulo mo yung damit ko. So, mag-ready muna ako ng mga dadalhin namin bukas. Yes, it's wrong.
I do it.
Why? Bibihisan niya si Teddy.
And how you put this on?
Ay, unutusan mo pa ako sa akin to eh. Okay, come on. Bihisan niya si Teddy.
And put
Okay.
this on me.
You do it. You know how?
I don't.
Ay, okay. Kunin ko muna yung luggage. You right?
I don't have to.
Okay, kunin ko muna yung luggage. So, ito na yung maliit na luggage, yung yellow. Ito naman laging dinadala ko pag pumunta kami ng Adelaide. And si Jan, naliligo na siya. And, linagyan ko ng tubig yung steamer kasi padadaanan ko to kasi tingnan nyo, kulubot. Gusot. Pero etong isa okay naman to. Ito okay to. So, ito lang naman. Tsaka yung damit ko. So, padaanan natin siya ng hindi pa siya ready. Mamaya na lang. Okay na. Oh, nakita niyo yung steam. Sila Kuya, nire-ready na rin nila yung kanilang dadalhin. You right, Kuya?
Yeah.
Kasi yung kanila, linalagay nila sa kanilang ano ba yun? Backpack. So, ayan. Yes, Zach? Tinamad akong kunin yung aking hanger. Dapat nakahang to. Tapos ginagano ng steamer. You right, Zach? Ha? So, steam ko muna to, guys. So, okay na siya. Hindi na siya ganun kagusot. And gustong-gusto ko talaga tong steamer kasi madali lang siyang gamitin. Hindi ko na kailangan ng kabayo. Yung, alam niyo, yung panagpa-plancha, yung regular na plancha. So, ilapag ko lang siya dyan. And ganun-ganunin. And okay na siya. Eto, padaanan ko rin siya ng steamer. Tingnan nyo, guys, ha. Tingnan nyo. Eto, ha. Kulubot siya, diba? Hindi pa, ayan. Oh, diba? Ang bilis. Okay na to dito. Tapusin ko lang. Pero ayun, oh, tingnan nyo. Hindi na siya gusot dito, oh. Eto na. Tapos ko na rin siyang steam. And ang kagandahan sa steamer, dito, hindi ka mag-worry na masisira yung print. Kasi pag sa plancha, diba, yung regular, ingat na ingat tayo. O kaya papatong pa tayo ng isang manipis na tela or cloth para lang planchahin, padaanan siya para hindi masira yung print. Pero sa steamer, okay siya. And pasensya sa kuko ko kasi ako lang ang naglagay niya. Alisin ko yan mamaya. And ayan, okay na siya. Ang bilis. Okay na lahat. Yes, kuya? This is for daddy. Ito yung medyas ni Jan. So, ayan na yung kay Jan. Okay na. And meron akong pantulog. Isang araw lang naman kami. Isang araw lang kami. No, 2 days and 1 night lang naman kami. Pero ako nagdala ko ng extra short kasi meron tayong boysita. And eto, ayaw ni Jan sa akin to ipasot kasi para raw tong pangbahay. Sabi ko, pampunta lang naman doon. Tapos mag-cardigan lang ako. And kay Holly, okay na yan. Pantulog ni Holly. Tapos ilalagay ko na lang dyan sa cube organizer. And lagay dito sa luggage. Nandito na yung kay, Kuya, where's your bag? Eto kay sa ano yan, nandito na lahat ng damit niya na gagamitin para bukas. Where's yours, Kuya? Okay na. Kasi iti-check ko. So, eto na yung kay Kuya. And, yeah, ilalagay ko na lang dito and I'm done. Tapos na ako mag-impake. And, luto na rin yung kanin. Habang nag-impake ako, nagluto ako ng kanin. So, okay na siya. And dito ko kayo ipapatong. And ito pala yung aking dinner. Lobster. And, hindi po siya buhay. Nahulog lang siya. Ayan. And ito yung sa mga bata. Si Jan, alam nyo na, sinabi ko na sa inyo, giniling yung tira. Tapos magtutoast lang ako ng sliced bread. Okay na siya. So, yung mga bata. So, linalagyan ko lang to ng tubig kasi pakukuloan kong konti yung aking hotdog and hihiwa-hiwain ko yung hotdog. Hihiwa-hiwain, hindi yung hiwang-hiwas. Yung eto ba? How many hotdog do you want, Kuya? Okay. Ginaganong-ganong ko ba? Yes. Rice or rolls?
Roll.
Roll?
I will have 3 or 2. 3 or 2. Okay, I'll go with 3.
I'm just gonna cook this all. And
I want these ones.
yeah, okay.
Mom, Mom.
Yes,
I want
baby.
these ones.
Yes. Ilan ba laman nito? 2, 4, 6, 8,
Mom, is that
9.
rollers?
So, tigta-tatlo kayo.
Mom, is this
Tama-tama.
rollers?
Tapos bukas, kung may tira, yun na yung breakfast nyo. Diba? Ito yung binili ko sa Kohl's nung nag-grocery ako. Ito yung brioche or hotdog rolls. So, dito ko ilalagay yung kanilang hotdog. Do you want this or rice?
Bread.
Bread.
That one.
Oh, you don't like this one? How about you, Kuya, this?
Yes, please.
Okay. How about you, Holly, this one?
No,
What do you want, rice?
not hot dog.
Yeah, hotdog with bread?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hot dog and hot dog with bread.
Okay. Ano?
I want a little bit of rice too, please.
Okay. Ang sarap ng amoy niya. First time kong bumiling ganitong tinapay, yung brioche. Okay, try.
What are you trying?
I Wait, what? I want this one. That's so
Mali siya. Malamis-lamis. Harap.
Give me the piece, please.
Come on.
I'm not buying it. I'm not.
Ah, yeah. Kasi si Kuya may ubo pa. Nice, Kuya.
I still want that one.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Like it?
That one.
Oh, tingnan nyo.
Mom, that is all. I need some for
Give me some, Baba. Eh, maubos na namin yung isa. Kahit wala siyang butter, ang sarap.
Good.
I know.
I want that one.
Okay.
With the hot dog.
Okay.
And Mama still
Please.
Okay.
Habang niluluto ko yung hotdog.
Some of my plate.
Yeah.
It was-
Some, excuse me.
Some plate.
Can you get the butter now,
Was it?
please?
That was my hot dog.
Yeah. No, it's not that.
Who wants to that one?
Do you want tomato sauce? Tomato
Yes, please.
I want some of the last.
I wish they had mustard.
I have mustard there, Kuya.
Where?
Holly, get
Oh,
that.
yeah.
I want some peanut butter like cola.
The whole grain mustard.
Yeah. No, well, it's not there. Maybe it's done. Wait, Holly, no.
I'll check the bag.
No, it's not good, Kuya. It's finished, I think.
Oh, we haven't had mustard yet.
I did bought some before.
But no one's had it.
How many bread you want, Sam? Masarap to, oh.
Hey, that's for mine.
You can have, here's yours.
No, Mama, I have another one outside.
Okay.
If I feel like
Si Sak, gusto niya regular sliced bread lang.
No.
Stop, please, Sak. Yes. Tomato sauce, please.
Who wants beef barbecue or tomato?
Yeah.
Tomato.
So, ready na to. Okay na to.
ready?
Yep.
That was Mommy. I want that and sauce.
Huh?
I want that and sauce.
Where is your mother?
Mom.
Yes.
Oh, I want two. Just give me. I want two.
Just one first, Holly, because
You might not eat it all.
you might not eat it all.
I will.
No, wait. Alis dyan na. This is hot.
Why?
Holly, don't fall, ha? Okay. Kuya.
Mommy.
Wow. Where's the sauce, Kuya?
Right here. Hold on.
Okay. Ako na.
That.
Do you want mayonnaise?
Oh, yes, please.
Yeah, I have
Me
the
too.
mayonnaise one.
Make it.
Meron ako dito
Can
yung...
you have it with sauce?
Yes! It's
I
not...
want some too. I want some too, Mom.
Ito yung
like
Japanese
cheese.
na
It's-
mayonnaise.
It's like cheese.
Mhm.
I want some
You want cheese, Kuya? I got cheese there in the fridge. In the fridge.
Cheddar.
I want
Yeah.
some. I want some, Mommy.
I don't want any. No,
I
no,
want
I'll just have this.
This one.
Oh, Mom, can I have mayonnaise and cheese?
Mom,
I want some.
Wait,
Uh,
wait. Excited sila. Oh,
Can you
parang...
do the other one quick? Because I want some.
Ayan na yung kay Kuya.
I want some.
Mom, and Mom.
Yes, Saki.
Mom.
Yes. What do you
I
want?
want one like cheese.
With cheese or with mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise and cheese.
And cheese.
Sauce. And sauce.
With, in this bread?
No,
Or-
in my bread.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Okay.
So one. I don't want
Wait,
pink. Mom, just one.
Thank you.
So one with sauce and one with that and that. What?
Ha? I don't get you, Sakso. Kaysa ganito lang. Kasi Ori na nga muna. Good, Kuya? You want this one?
You don't have it.
Papa, you want this one?
Listen, I don't want.
Okay, you don't want cheese. Okay.
Only that and sauce,
Manners.
please.
Always. And kay Holly. Para lang ikaw nasa Wendy's, Kuya.
Cheese.
So, what do you want, Sa? This one?
So one of this and that. What?
You want cheese?
Mama, I want the
What? Like this?
mayonnaise like
Kaya
that.
pera pa
With
na.
cheese.
And tomato sauce.
Yes, please.
Ayaw mo
Well
siya.
done.
Good, Kuya.
Yeah. Oh, my back of the bread's splitting.
Okay, Sa. You have to hold this.
Mom, put on the plate.
It's gonna open.
I want plain.
One plane. So what do you mean? One plane like this? Just one of this?
And sauce.
No mayonnaise?
No. Thanks.
So ito na yung dinner nila, guys. Okay. Tigdadalawa. Si Holly, isa lang muna.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So mayroon pa akong 4 na tira.
I'm not having more.
Yeah. Yes.
Send me my chin.
What's that? Okay. Go sit down there. Okay na sila. Yung akin na lang tsaka kay Jan. Habang kumakain yung mga bata, naligo mo lang kasi kanina wala pa si Jan. And ayan na si Jan. Did you have your dinner?
Yes.
Tapos na siya. Hinintay ko siya para sabay kami. And pinakita ko sa inyo 4 to, diba? Isa na lang natira. Kuya, how many hot dogs did you have?
3.
How about you?
3.
How about you, Holly?
2.
We'll put your 6 in it, man.
Di, nawala. At least okay lang, oh. Wala silang breakfast. Sabi ko, breakfast nila sana yun bukas. Pero, nagustuhan nila. And, yung tinapay, ubos. So, si Jan, nag-toast siya. And, yung mince nga. So, ako na lang yung hindi pa kumakain. So, ayan. Kakainin ko na to. Gutom na rin ako. Hindi pa lang kumakain, guys. Kasi, mag-impake raw muna kami dito. Mag-impake. Ilagay yung mga gamit ba dito. Ayan na si Sak. Ready na si Sak. It's cold, Sak. Oh, yung isa. What are you doing? Nilalagay na ni Jan lahat ng dadalhin namin bukas. Holly, you're not coming. You're not coming, Baba. You're not coming, Baba. Oh, it's cold.
Golf shoes and all your stuff you need.
Hey, Zach, can you get your bag, your backpack? And, oh. Malinis to, oh, ang linis dyan. Yes.
We're leaving.
Yeah, what time are we leaving tomorrow, hon?
7 o'clock.
You know, guys.
7 o'clock.
No, not
Mom,
10, 15, 7 o'clock.
Sharp. 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock nga, sharp, yes.
I can't be
What's
rushing.
right here?
Yeah, I bought that one. You don't go squeeze yourself there because you might scratch the...
Let's do ya.
Not your scooter, the car. Ayan na yung backpack nila. Yung maleta ko, bukas na lang yun. Ah. You like that, kuya?
Yeah.
Hangin. Solo flight na si Holly. Baba! Here! It's hard there. And Zachary. Do it here in the cement, Baba, not on the grass.
Mine didn't go on grass because I've got tires.
Yes. O, diba, may sumemplang na. Sabi niya, watch this. Hindi ko na video. Sumemplang siya.
Watch it. Let's go.
That's why. Watch this. Watch you. Na sumemplang ka.
Oh my God. Watch
Careful. Honey, oh.
Mom, watch this.
Wait. Okay. Oh, wow. Yun lang pala. Yun lang pala.
Baby, I don't wanna.
Malamig. Oh.
Right, got shoes, golf bag, hat.
Hot.
Mine's in my bag.
Okay, close.
Mom, I can only go with mine. Don't leave my back away.
Yung luggage ko na lang. Ready na rin yun. So, since sila ay tapos ng kumain, ako naman yung kakain. Solo ko yung lobster. Si Jan dapat, kakain siya ng lobster na konti. Sabi niya, tikman niya raw. Eh, kumain na siya, inunahan niya. Hinintay ko sana siya, naligo ako, and natagal ako sa shower. So, kumain na siya. So, mayroon pa akong tirang. Ininit ko lang to. Ito yung black pepper sauce. Ayun. Dapat nito, ninalagay, dinidrizzle sa, pag ako gumagawa, dinidrizzle ko talaga siya sa lobster and then ino-oven ko. Pero wala na tayong time and kulang na to. And the best part is, itong ulo. Oops. Paano wala na akong lakas, ah?
Get
Yan.
Where?
Oops.
Georgia!
Kain, guys.
Oh, wait, Georgia!
Unahin ko yung paa. And meron ako dito paglalagyan ng shell. Hoy, ang ingay yung mag-ama. Kain muna ako, guys. And meron tayong kanin. Mapagkunwaring kanin. Mamaya, kukuha pa ako pag kinulang tayo dyan. Ayan, yung laman ng leg. Hi! Guys, kain. Harap. Put it to this food.
Now watch this. That watch.
Ayan, bumbo yung legs.
Okay, see that?
Baba, you're too noisy. Harap. Patay yung laman.
I'm a fried fish.
Ah!
I'm a fried fish leg.
Ayan. Gusto niya ang legs, pero hindi legs yung binigay ko. Ito ang masarap po yan. Oh, alige. Alige, alige. Kami ako, guys. Meron pa akong biniling pinakurat nung pumunta sa Pilipinas. So, pinabuksan ko kay John. Kasi itry ko siya. I-shake ko muna. Ay. Mapaparami talaga ang kanin ko nito. Oh. Ay, sarap. May dalawa akong sausawan.
So he'll play some footy for us. His opposite number also aims to
sarap.
see some young talent time. Mitch
Sarap,
Jones
guys.
is one that's getting a fair bit of hype, but my personal favourite
Pinakurat.
is him, so he's the Robbie Gray pick. Robbie gets one pick in the draft every year, so he picked Zach Butters last year and Dylan
Layo
Williams this
mo,
year.
ha?
And Graham may get another pick at the end of this year after agreeing to terms to a one-year contract extension that will keep him.
Because I know that after all this time, you read between these lines. Feeling fine, cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing. All this waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said?
Hindi pa rin ako tapos kumain, guys. And ito yung, yung tail. Hindi ko ito makakain. So, i-freezer ko to. Kasi bagong luto lang naman to. So, pwede siyang i-freezer. So, dito lang talaga ako nagpo-focus. And si John, kumakain siya ng mousse. And yung mga boys, kumakain sila ng Activia, yung yogurt. Yun ang dessert nila. Ayan. Ongoing. And ang sarap ng pinakurat. Pareho silang masarap. So, paiba-iba yung aking sauce. Ano, Baba?
What do you want?
Nag-chocolate ka na kaya?
Huh?
Pagpatuloy ko na yung aking kinain. Tingnan nyo siya, guys. Sarap.
I cherish all your lines. And after all this time, feeling fine. Cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing. All this waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more.
Guys, i-close na namin yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin for today. Thank you.
I scratched my head.
Nag-ano lang kami, nag-watch ng movie. What movie is this?
This one.
Yeah.
What is this movie?
Put it back, TJ.
Yeah.
Oh, we're watching Spy Next Door.
Spy.
Spy Kids.
The Spy Next Door.
The Spy Next
Kids
Door.
was done.
Oh.
So, yun ang aming pinapanood. So, yun na guys yung vlog. Thank you. Maaga pa kayo bukas. So, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next
Vlog.
vlog. Kuya!
Bye.
Holly! Holly, pretending. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Dad!
Bye.
Dad, say good night.
Dad, say good night.
Oh,
Good night.